How to use Discord on phone while playing games. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Discord on your mobile phone while playing games. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Discord application on your mobile device. So once you click on download, you'll be able to see open over here. So just click on open and be redirected to your Discord home. So over here you're going to select on your account option at the bottom right that says your profile icon, and it will be written you over here. So you can just click on it and you will be redirected to your home profile. So what you got to do is click on settings or this gear icon at the top right, and after clicking on settings you'll be able to see your account settings, your payment settings, and your app settings over here. So you'll be able to see support as well. So over here what you got to do is search for this app settings, and under the app settings you'll be able to see voice. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you just scroll down, and here under the soundboard you'll be able to see an option that says enable voiceover. So you can just click on that, and that is basically for playing games while having a voice chat of Discord with your friends. So once you've enabled that toggle button, you can just go back to your home page and select the server. For example, I've selected this server, and here, so in order to join the voice channel, I'm just going to click on this and then click on join voice. So once the voice is joined, I can just close my Discord, but note that don't completely close your Discord. You can just press your home button, and as if the voice is still connected. So the voice needs to be connected when you go to the home page. So click on your home button and you'll be redirected to your home page, but don't completely close it. So when you're redirected to your home page, you'll be able to see a small circle hovering here and there, that is of your Discord server and your server connected, your channel connected. So after that you can just turn on any game, and once you turn on any game you'll be able to see that circle there as well, and from that circle you can also navigate through your Discord and your call from there. So that is basically how you can use Discord on your mobile phone while playing games. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.